Okay guys, today I'll be showing you how to cut out a pattern using pattern weights and a rotary cutter. So let's get started. First thing you need is the rotary cutter, and you'll need some pattern weights. You'll need the fabric of choice and a pattern piece of your choice and a rotary mat, which you can buy at any large retailer. So let's get started. I'm going to take my pattern piece here. You can place it right side up or wrong side up. Place my pattern here. I'm going to do it on the side so I don't waste fabric. Okay, you can always double your fabric if needed to place the pattern on top. You can always cut 2 pieces at one time, but it depends on the thickness of your fabric. Place my pattern weights on top of the pattern. Take my rotary cutter. I'm left-handed, so I'm going to put in my left hand. If you're right-handed, then you would do the same. The blade should be close to the pattern paper. So I will cut like this if I'm left-handed. I will cut like this if I'm right-handed. So the blade should be as close to the paper as possible, pattern paper as possible. So I'll take my rotary cutter. And I will try my best to stay close to the line but not cut the paper. And you may have to actually turn. The direction or change your body around. Whichever is easiest. And lift a little slit right here. Okay. Make sure that you always close your rotary cutter so that no ouchies. Take your pattern weights off. And you got your complete pattern piece. So I did this in less than a minute or so. So hopefully this video was helpful. Ladies and gents, so thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to our YouTube page as well as like our video. Follow us on social media as well as give us video comments and ideas. And thanks for watching and happy sewing.